Since we're at Jeep Beach 2019, camping inside Daytona. As you can see, the stands are out there. There's a big event going on, a bunch of vendors way out there. We're gonna go check that out. Bring the camera with me. We'll see what's over there. I'm gonna get a copyright infringement with the music playing in the background. Ruben Khan? Guy's name must be Ruben. What'd you say?
It's an LJ.
Power wagon. It's pretty cool. We wheeled with him in Moab, I think. That's the Jeep that you can enter to win. What's that?
Pair of these. They have a little off-road trail for little kids. We're gonna have to come and check that out later. Watch all the kids run into each other. So that's the obstacle course. We'll come back when Jeeps are actually going on. Yeah, the honcho. Imagine driving through Miami with this. Looks like some Hemi action. 6.1. That's a pretty cool swap. I like it better than my last swap. access. It looks like there's some actual Gladiator rides. This is the Jeep. So this is my first time seeing one up close and personal. Interior is really nice. If it could tow just a little bit more, I would trade my truck in for one of these. I think these are rated at like 8,000 pounds. The truck's rated at 12. Hellcat motor.
To start us out, we're going to be driving over these little humps to test ground clearance. The Gladiator Rubicon comes stock with 11.1 inches of ground clearance. We are sitting on 33s right now, so we're not going to scrape or anything as we go over these little humps. But if we were to, we do have the skid plates under there that come standard, so you don't have to worry about the undercarriage. To test traction, this is about a 25-degree incline as we go up the hill. We are in 4 low, so we don't spin the tires or anything as we go up. And then nice and easy on the way down. We can do a little brake check and keep going. We do have hill descent, so if I was to tap that button right there, I can actually take my foot off the brake. That's controlled through the ABS and transmission together. And then on the articulation wedge, it's about 25 degrees up. We can actually go all the way up to 30 without tipping because we have that low center of gravity.
What's the towing capacity?
This one can tow 7,650 pounds. And then they added what is called the trail cam, which is basically just a front camera. So you can either have the front camera on or the backup camera if you are driving going under 10 miles an hour. So we're going to cheat a little bit here. It's going to help us line up on these beams perfectly.
That's pretty cool.
Oh yeah. So like your own personal spotter basically. And then say you go mudding or anything, get the front all dirty, push clean camera, it sprays it off with a bunch of washer fluid for you. Nice little hill here again. And this is our steepest drop. It's about 26 degrees going down.
Were you out in Moab?
I was not.
No, you weren't.
No, I wish. And then for this bar, we have the sway bar disconnected since we can electronically do that in the Rubicons. I personally like to watch this bar from the outside the most because you can actually see how much flex the Jeep actually has as you go over. Like the most I've seen that move today is 6 degrees. So. Oh yeah. And then base price for the Gladiator is starting at $33,500. Base Rubicon is $43,000. This one's going to top out at about $60,000. So.
Okay.
You guys have any questions for me?
I do not. You answered my only question.
Not bad. A little hot after 4 days.
So the manufacturer of these trailers?
We're ready for you. All right, man. Thanks. Hi, Tom.
show you this. The belly can on this thing's pretty cool. Oh, they did a really good job. You can see it's not about the door. They will need to change the oil. One of the engineers also told me that the bumpers for the JKs will fit the JT, so the Gladiator. So make sure to check out OverTheHilins.
Thank you, sir. Yep.
Okay guys, so we just got back to the campsite, making some lunch real quick. There's a bunch of Jeeps just driving past, so I figured I'll just kind of give you a little lowdown on what's happening right in front of me. So let me show you what we got cooking. Got some hot dog and sauerkraut. And out here we got Jeep Gladiator. It's nothing but Jeeps. If you see, there's a NASCAR that's going to go around right there. So I don't know how the audio is going to come out. So I'll give you a quick time lapse of a bunch of Jeeps driving past.
Christmas season, I can spend it before I get it. If you blink, you miss it. And niggas talking about investing, you can miss me with it. Invest in these Jordans, nigga. Look at you with your fancy shoes and your high-price clothes. Tell me what you know, but no money in your pocket. No, you need to stop it, stop it. That hole you got on yourself, you gotta unlock it. But I get what you telling me, yeah. I used to backtrack and train the train way back in the day. The sinkholes of my younger brain, no direction, no lane, blowing stacks in the rain. God bless me, I came out of it. Had a little seed and doubled up my.
Alright guys, so I just finished lunch. My dad and I are going to head to the beach. We'll update you once we're there. Okay guys, we're back at Daytona Speedway. Just got back from the beach. Gonna hang out here. I'm starving. I ate those 2 hot dogs earlier, but I'm still hungry, so I'm gonna make something else really quick. I'll update you once I know what else is going on. That Jeep giveaway is at 5 o'clock. That's in about 2 hours or so, so I'm still crossing my fingers that we might win that. I can't tell who's testing around the track today, but man, they've been going all day. Alright guys, welcome back. It's the following morning. We did not win that Jeep, as you probably would have guessed, but it's pretty empty here today. We're going to go and try and sneak into the pits with the Jeep, take some cool photos, so let's go head over there.
Alright guys, I could not think of a better place to end this video. I'm here in front of Daytona International Speedway in the pit area. Figured that this would be a good photo for the thumbnail. So that really this is all I have for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed my coverage of Jeep Beach 2019. As always, please go ahead, like, comment, and subscribe. It helps me out a lot. And I'll see you guys on the next one.